Mujaddid Alfi Thani, Shaykh Ahmad Sirhindi Rahmatullahi Alayhi. Presented by Professor Manzoor Ahmad Bhat. In this video, Professor Manzoor Ahmad Bhat presents the scholarly works and sources depicting the biography, thought and contribution of great Mujaddid Alfi Thani Rahmatullahi Alayhi.
नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम औज़ु बिल्लाहि समीन अलीम मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, and greetings to all the esteemed viewers. We are having our discourse number 37 today. In fact, our endeavor would be to explore the sources, then Sira or the biography and Sufi thought of Shaykh Ahmad Sirhindi Rahmatullahi Allah, who was also known as Mujaddid al-Fisani. Now, among the important sources authored by Shaykh Ahmad Sirhindi Rahmatullahi Allah himself, we have Maktubat Imami Rabbani. So this source is in 3 volumes. Basically, it is a compilation of about 526 letters authored by Shaykh Ahmad Sirhindi Rahmatullahi Allah himself. So in the first volume, we have 313 letters. In the second volume, we have 99 letters. And in the third volume, we have 114 letters. 313, as you know, it corresponds to the number of the companions of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam who participated in the Ghazwa Badr. 99 corresponds to the Al Asmaul Husna, so that is the beautiful names of Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala. And 114 is also the number of chapters in the Holy Quran. Second important source we have Isbat al-Nabuwat. It is in Arabic language. So in this source, Shaykh Ahmad Sirhindi Rahmatullahi Allah sheds light on the necessity of prophethood in general and the prophethood of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in particular. The next source from Shaykh Ahmad Sirhindi Rahmatullahi Allah, we have Risale Radd Rawafiz. So it is in the Persian language on the refutation of certain beliefs of the Rawafiz and the superiority of Khulafai Salasa. The importance of this source can be comprehended from the fact that a great scholar, Shah Waliullah Dehlvi Rahmatullahi Allah, has also written a commentary on this Risale Radd Rawafiz. Then we have next source, Risale Tahliliya. So it is a treatise in Arabic. It deals with the importance of Kalimah Taiba. Because we learn from many other sources that unsuccessful efforts were made to distort the text, that is the Nas of Kalimah Taiba, during this period, particularly during the period of the Mughal king Akbar. So we find therefore that in this Risale Tahliliya, Shaykh Ahmad Sirhindi Rahmatullahi Allah sheds light on the significance of Tawheed and the prophethood or the Risala. Next source from Shaykh Ahmad Sirhindi Rahmatullahi Allah, we have Ma'rifa al-Dunya. So it is in the Persian language. It deals with Sufism or Tasawwuf. This treatise was written by Shaykh Ahmad Sirhindi Rahmatullahi Allah after he had an interaction with Khwaja Baqi Billah, who was the patron saint of Naqshbandiya Silsila in the India. So when he joined him and when he was enrolled in the Naqshbandiya Silsila, after that Shaykh Ahmad Sirhindi authored this Risala. So in this Risala, Shaykh Ahmad Sirhindi Rahmatullahi Allah defines the esoteric dimensions of the divine attributes and some of the verses of the Holy Quran. Then we have many sources authored by other scholars and other authors. We deal with different dimensions of the personality of Shaykh Ahmad Sirhindi Rahmatullahi Allah. Among these we have Makashfatul Ainiya. So it is compiled by Muhammad Hashim Kishmi. This is basically a collection of different ijazat namas. That is the permissions of Mujaddid al-Fisani rahmatullahi Allah granted to his khulafa. So it also contains certain shajaras, that is spiritual as well as genealogical trees of various Sufi silsilas, and more particularly the Chashtiya silsila, the Naqshbandiya silsila, and the Qadriya silsila. Then next source we have Sharhi Rubaiyat. So it is in the Persian language originally. It is a commentary on two quatrains, that is 4-line stanza of Khwaja Baqi Billah. So a commentary on these two quatrains was written by Shaykh Ahmad Sirhindi rahmatullahi Allah under the title Sharhi Rubaiyat. Now we find later on another commentary was written on these by Shah Waliullah Dehlvi rahmatullahi Allah under the title Kashful Ghain fi Sharhi Rubaiyatayn. Next source we find Zubdatul Maqamat, authored by Muhammad Hashim Kishmi. Then we have another source entitled as Hazrat al-Qudus by Badruddin Sirhindi, and another source we have Sirat Mujaddid al-Fisani by Muhammad Masood Ahmad. Now next source we have entitled as Hazrat Mujaddid or Unke Naqideen. It is in Urdu language by Abul Hassan Zaid Faruqi. Next source we have under this title the Mujaddid's Conception of Tawheed. So it is authored by Burhan Ahmad Faruqi. Then we have another important source that is originally in the English language. It is entitled as Shaykh Ahmad Sirhindi rahmatullahi Allah, an outline of his thought and a history of his image in the eyes of posterity. It is authored by Johann Friedman. Then one more source we have about the biography, about the thought of Shaykh Ahmad Sirhindi rahmatullahi Allah. So that source is entitled as Hazrat Mujaddid al-Fisani. It is authored by Sayyid Zawar Hussaini. So this was our first video in which I made an attempt to enlighten our esteemed viewers with regard to the sources which have been authored by Shaykh Ahmad Sirhindi rahmatullahi Allah, and the sources which have been authored by other scholars and which deal with different dimensions of the personality of Shaykh Ahmad Sirhindi rahmatullahi Allah. So you are most welcome to subscribe to our channel Understanding Sufism. Favor us with your valuable views and share the video. Thank you very much. Jazakumullahu khair. Inshallah we will see you in the next video.